Susunduin namin si my brother sa NAIA 3. I'm with my mom. Ilang years na natin tinakita si Steve Mama? 7 years, 6 years. Corner na tayo ng LRT Buendia and it's very hard to get. Right, taxi. Ayun, may mga taxi doon. Kuha tayo taxi doon. Terminal 3.
50 na lang sir, magkano babayad nyo doon?
Ha?
Magkano babayad nyo doon?
Airport na and we are too early. Wanna see it? Magme-message lang naman siguro yun siya, right? Hello? I forgot my phone. Bye. It's either I forgot my phone or nahulog sa kotse. Wala. Dala mo yung tab mo? Oo. Ah, buti naman. Saan ko naiwan yun? Bye. What are the odds? Kung hindi kasama si mama, wala nang communication. So while we're waiting for my brother to arrive, we've got 2 hours to spare. Let me talk about some of the things that are on my mind. Well, you see, I have this dream of making, the dream is to make a sustainable, like, I don't know, like a hub or a community where gospel musicians, Christian musicians who are Filipinos, who can sustain themselves with their artworks here in the Philippines, and they can come together and do their art, create some stuff, be creators, and be able to do what they love, which is perform and make music, original music. But here's the problem. Here in the Philippines, it's really hard to sustain yourself with your art, and they look at art as like just amusement, you know, just a hobby, and they don't pay you. Like if they ask you, hey, can you draw this for me, and they don't expect to give you something, you know what I mean? Like if they ask you, hey, can you perform in my church, or hey, can you sing at my wedding, it's almost understood that it's free. So sustaining yourself as a musician is really hard, especially here in this country. So how do we solve the problem? The truth is, I don't have any answers, but what I'm trying to do is still do what I love, create music, create videos in my field. I'll post it in the internet, on YouTube specifically, and then maybe if I have people see the videos and they'll support my page, my channel, I'll be requesting some friends, a lot of musicians to perform there in my channel, and hopefully someday it will grow bigger. See, my dream is to have lots and lots of musicians to to come together, not exclusive, but you know, forming bonds. That's what matters in life. Ryan, nice. Love it. Why? 17 na lang yung battery niya. I hope that this project comes through, and I hope you guys will join us in this endeavor. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Although I'm sleepy, it's already almost 11. I usually sleep at 9. I brought the yet. We don't know where he is. He's got no signal in his phone. Maybe he's still buying SIM card. I don't know, man. He gone. I just saw my brother. He's like, it's okay. He's buying SIM card. I knew it. Look at the line, boy. The line goes from there. Okay, wait, let me show you. Sige, pila na kayo. Man, that's a long ass line. So you see the long line here. Tapos yung long line here. It's a very long line. So that's the line's taxi. But behind me, if you look up there, behind the bars, may nag-offer ng taxi, but a higher price. Yun yung mga koloro.
Mas mataas pa kaysa.
Yeah. So if your price is 200 for taxi, theirs is like 400. So twice the price. But mas mabilis kaya sa pumila ka if you okay din yun.
Okay din siya.
HDR o FDR?